So for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how you can make a really nice balloon stamped card, but using 3 colourways as well, but also giving just an extra bit of height and dimension with these ones. So what we're going to do for this one, we've got our hello die on this one. So this is a full backed hello die on this one. So all that you would just do is using your die cutting machines, including the Gemini Mini for this one, we're just going to run this through, and we are then going to be die cut with the word hello. So as you can see here, you've even got the wee tails there just off the bottom of the balloon. So what we can do is just bringing in our stamping platform, and we're also just going to bring in the hello stamp that we've got here. We're just going to place that on into the middle. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our Harmony Spectrum Noir Opaque Pigment ink pads. So I'm just going to go from the teal colour range, and all that I'm going to do is I'm just going to start, and I'm going to do 3 tones. So we're just going to start with the lighter one, then we can go for the medium one. So that lighter one was the Oasis, this medium one was the Parakeet, and then this darker one is your Lagoon. So we're just going to stamp that in place like that. That gives us our 3 tones. Then what we're going to do is just bringing in the word hello again, and then we're just going to place that over the top that you can see there, and then we're just going to line that up. We're just going to position that, and then when we're happy, we're just going to press down, just give that a good even pressure. Now, once you've stamped them, you will be left with this really nice white border all the way around. It gives us a sort of shadow effect. So I'm just going to press, then we're just going to peel these away, and look at that. Doesn't that look so smart? So if I then, for this one, I'm just going to bring in just a bit of black card for you to see. We've got the 3 tones with the hello. We've got that white shadow all the way around. That looks really, really effective. So then what we can do is if we move these ones out the way, I've also taken the die that actually die cuts this scroll. So just our white stamping card, and I've just die cut that once again. Then what we can do is bringing in our stamp sets just here. We've got a variety of all these different stamps that we've got here, and then we've also got more when it comes to this one just here. So all that we're going to do for this one here is I've taken the word gorgeous, which was on the same stamp set with the word hello. So all that we've done is taken that one, and we have just stamped it onto the scroll like that. Using the same ink pads with this one, it was the Lagoon, and we've then stamped it just like that. Moving these ones out the way so we're ready to go. I've just taken one of our card blanks, and we've just used some of the pattern papers, and we've just done a bit of matting and layering, and we're just going to give that just a bit of backing of our double-sided tape runner, and we're just going to place that on like so. Then what we've done is we've just taken one of the actual papers from the background. So here, what we've done is we've stamped actual streamers, which will then look like the actual, it's kind of like the string or the streamers of your balloons, which actually come just down here. So then what we can do is once again, just add in just a bit of double-sided tape from our tape runner onto the back. We can then position that into place. So we're just going to pop this towards the top that you can see just here. And then what we're then going to do is just bringing in our actual stamp that we've done. So we've got the word hello that we've got here. Then all that I'm just going to do, we can either pop this on flat, or we can just add just a few bits of our 3D foam pads to the back. And then all that we're going to do is we're just going to lift that up, give that a bit of height like this. And we're just going to place that over the top. So if I bring this in, then all that we're going to do is just at a slight angle, we're going to place this on. So this now looks like that the streamers are holding the balloon word hello in place. So we've got that. We can then bring in our sentiment that we've also die cut and stamped. So I'm just going to add just a wee bit of shape to that there. And also I'm just going to add just one foam pad to the back, because I want to keep that shape. So all that I'm going to do is place that down to the bottom there. So we've then got the word saying, hello gorgeous. And then we're just going to bring in this ribbon that we've tied that all comes with the actual subscription box. We're just going to add just a bit of our Collall all-purpose glue onto the back. We're then going to position that in place at the bottom of the streamers. Then there we go. This gives you a really nice cute card there using the word hello as well as the word gorgeous. And that is how you can create that one just there.